We are enjoying another beautiful afternoon.
It gets better and better, Jess. Beautiful weather picture. This whole week's been phenomenal. And the only thing we might want is maybe a little rain to keep things green. And I think we'll get some of that over the weekend. But right now we just bask in the glory of a sun-filled Thursday, one that features some very mild temperatures. Here's a look at our Lake Pepin from Lake City, our Lewiston auto camera. Sailboats are everywhere, and you can see why. It's just a gorgeous day. We have just a couple of fair weather clouds, abundant sunshine, a nice crisp northeast breeze. Temperatures very comfortable, approaching 80 right now. As you look outside with our Lewiston auto camera. Here's some of the imagery from last night. You have beautiful sunset, some interesting texture and color in those clouds. This is a picture sent in from here in Rochester, just outside of town. David Folker sent in that picture with that sunset photography. And this morning's sunrise, just about equally as beautiful. Some pretty colors in the sky, a few thin cirrus clouds. And as we look at that time lapse from Assisi Heights, this is our Lewiston auto camera. A lot of sun, in fact, increasing sunshine. Some of the cirrus clouds we had last night have moved out, and now we have generally sunny conditions. A nice northeast breeze stirring things up, drawing that dry air. Dew point only still 57, about as dry as it's been at this hour all week long. 76 the actual temperature. So no heat index calculated at this point because of the lack of that mugginess. No complaints, I think I've heard so far. Anyway, air pressure steady, 30.01 inches of mercury. So sunshine today, a couple of showers this weekend, but still occasional sun and actually some very decent temperatures. Next week, a little taste of September, a slight cool down, at least for a few days, with some 70s and abundant sunshine still. Future tracks, satellite radar, abundant sunshine under high pressure. That's settling in from the north. The cold front that swept through a couple of days ago still south of us. Showers associated with that will stay down south of us and will remain rain-free until the weekend. We could use a little bit, about 4/10 of an inch below the seasonal average for this month anyway, and it looks like we're to close out July with nary a raindrop to be seen between now and the end of the month. For the year so far, 2/3 of an inch surplus. So we're still doing okay, but we could use a little bit of maintenance rain to keep things green. I think we'll get some in a couple of days. But sunshine today, 80 at 5 o'clock. We'll drop back to the 60s this evening after sunset and eventually reach the mid-50s. Future track, high pressure coming in, that nice northeast breeze. We've been enjoying that all day with that blue sky and all the bright sunshine. High temperatures right around 80. Same situation tomorrow, starting the 50s, reaching 80 for a high with a lighter breeze. And then here comes a warm front, some slightly warmer, slightly more humid humid air coming in for Saturday. Some thin clouds and then just a couple of isolated showers and storms by mid to late afternoon, and then we'll have better chances of rain with that cold front later in the overnight hours Saturday night into Sunday, and then maybe a few scattered showers through the midday hours before we dry out for the afternoon. And temperatures Sunday on the cooler side, mid-70s, mid and upper 70s for high temperatures next week. Those actually slightly below the seasonal average, which would be closer to 80. 80 degrees today, though, northeast winds up to 15 miles per hour. Plenty of sunshine, a couple of fair weather clouds. Clear tonight, 56 with a light north breeze. And sunshine tomorrow again, 80 degrees, a beautiful Friday, fantastic Friday. 7-day forecast, a couple of storms late Saturday into early Sunday, and then some bright, crisp sunshine and September-like readings with 70s next week. Ted's Trivia, the Eiffel Tower was originally meant to be built in which city?
Is it B?
It's actually one you might not even think about. It's in Spain, Barcelona.
Really? It just wouldn't be the same not being in Paris.
It would be weird.